What's going on, everybody? Chaz with Homegrown How To. In this video we're going to be talking about lawn aeration and the importance of that. Now what lawn aeration is you basically take a machine or a tool and poke little holes throughout the ground. So here I am, I just aerated my lawn and I rented a machine from Home Depot and split that with one of my neighbors, and we aerated our lawns and pulled these plugs. Basically pulling these plugs creates these little holes in the ground here, and that allows for the airflow, nutrients, and water to get down into the soil easier. Where I'm at in Utah, our soil is notorious for its heavy clay, so this helps break up some of that soil compaction to allow for better uptake of nutrients and water as well. My lawn is looking a little rough right now. I also dethatched my lawn yesterday, so I still have some of that dead material and thatch laying around. I was able to clean up most of it, but there's still a little bit laying around, and probably will be until I mow the lawn. So guys, let's get that machine fired up and get aerating the lawn. Along with the better uptake of nutrients, water, and airflow, aerating your lawn will also help with soil compaction. As I stated, my soil is mostly clay. I have been amending that over the years, but that is going to take a little bit of time. So pulling up all these little turf turds and poking these holes in the ground helps with the overall health of the lawn. Reducing your soil compaction can also help with decreasing different stressors such as foot traffic, disease, as well as heat and drought stress. Now these machines are not difficult to use, but they definitely do have a learning curve to them, and they do weigh a lot. So if you decide to rent one or buy one, be prepared to get your workout on. You do also have the option of having somebody else do this for your lawn. I do have a guy that comes out every spring and aerates my lawn. I know in my area, depending on your yard size, most landscape companies will charge anywhere from about $30 to $50 depending on your yard. As y'all have already seen, once you're done aerating, you've got these little turf turds left on your lawn. These are the plugs from the holes that were punctured into the lawn. And for the most part, you just want to leave these on the lawn to break down over time. These also do have a lot of nutrients within them, so let them just break down and do their thing. Really, the only reasons to remove these from your lawn is if you reel mow your lawn or if you are doing a lawn leveling project. The best time to aerate your lawn is in the spring and or in the fall. This year I did spring because I leveled my lawn out with sand. I'll drop the video down below so you can check that information out if you're interested. Basically the reason why I did that is to improve my drainage, because again it's all clay here in Utah, and to amend that clay soil. And it also makes for a much smoother lawn and enjoyable, much more enjoyable mow. So guys, if you found this video helpful or informative at all, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, drop those down below. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.